and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to log into Telegram on new phone. Firstly, you need to download and open Telegram. Install the official app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And next, launch the application on your new phone. Tap Start Messaging on the welcome screen. After that, choose your country from the list to automatically fill in the country code. Type in the exact phone number linked to your existing Telegram account. Tap the arrow or next button. After that, if your old phone is still active, open the Telegram app on your old phone or desktop client. If you do not have your old phone, look at the login screen on the new phone and select send code via SMS. If you previously enabled two-step verification for security, enter your cloud password. If you forgot this password, tap forget password to receive a reset link at your registered recovery email address. Next is terminate the old season. For security, go to Settings, Devices, or Privacy and Security Active Seasons on your new phone. Review the active logins and tap Terminate all other seasons if you no longer use your old device. If you still have any questions, comment down below.